Brotherz here. Today we are going to prepare butterfruit shake. Butterfruit is a rare plant. When the butterfruit is red, it is ripe and it is ready to pluck. Some butterfruit from our garden. The original name of peanut butter fruit is Bunchusia glandiflora. This is native in Central America and South America. Benefit of peanut butter fruit are: peanut butter fruit is a good antioxidant. Peanut butter fruit is low in calories and fats too. It's 10 times more antioxidant than the tomatoes. Ingredients which we are using: sugar, milk, almond milk, butterfruit, extracting the seed. Add all the ingredients to the mixture. Milk, 3 tablespoons of sugar, butterfruit, almond milk. Our shake is ready. We are going to taste it. Wow, so tasty. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this shake.